here with a sneaker review, but this time we're not just reviewing one specific sneaker or one specific silhouette, but we have the entire SS20 collection from the Latis. So if you guys don't really know about this brand basically comes from Italy, and it's basically Italy spelled backwards. That's how they came up with the brand name. Yeah. So it's more sort of like an entry-level luxury and a designer footwear label. So all the people who probably want to enter this whole game of having some luxury footwear, designer brands or whatsoever, and feel how the sneaker actually feels on your feet as a designer brand, this is probably the best brand that you can actually start off your entire closet game with. That is one, and two, it's exclusively available at Super Kicks in India specifically. Yeah, so crazy deals. And as far as the quality is also concerned, guys, the products are actually made in Napoli, so the quality is like out there at the top. The leather, the Nubuck, the suede, everything that they are using is like out there. So I would personally recommend all you guys to, even if you don't want to buy it, please do come check these pairs out at the store and try these on your feet and feel how the sneaker actually feels and how this is actually different from other sportswear labels. Yeah, now without any further ado, let's actually head on to the unboxing. Guys, as you guys can see, there's nothing super special about the box. It's a pretty classic box with just the Lati branding over here. Now without any further ado, let's actually open our first sneaker from the entire SS20 collection, which is Revelo 4. Okay, so here you go, guys. So as far as the sneaker is concerned, guys, pretty chunky sneaker though, but still very light in comparison to other chunky sneakers, other dad shoes as they say. That's how they have turned it down to. So as far as the dad shoe vibe is concerned, the vibe is pretty cool. It's a chunky sneaker with crazy level of detailings, and this plain spatter is something that makes this shoe stand out. Or else, to be honest, this would have looked like more sort of like a school shoe, as we all know. But crazy levels of detailings, guys. If you guys can see at the back, it's actually suede, and rest is all Italian leather. And even though these print marks at the laces, this is something that makes the shoe pop out when you're using a flashlight or when you're like just in a darker environment sort of a thing. So this is something that helps the shoe to stand out. In general, it's a black shoe, but still it's not something that's super monotonous or super common. The plain splatter, again, as I said, is something that helps the sneaker to stand out, and in general super comfortable is what I can feel right now. Of course, we'll share the on-feet looks also, and I'll give you the reviews as well. But super comfortable and super light. As I said, that as far as chunky sneakers are concerned, this is something that is not as heavy as the other ones. So here we have the second one, guys, and this goes by the name of Mayori A2. Okay, so another sort of a bulky trainer though, but again pretty light, pretty comfortable as what we can see. This does not have a lot of leather in it. This has like a lot of mesh over here and a little bit of nubuck over here, but the shoe again pops out. It's a classic colorway again, grey color with pink laces, which is not even something that you have to lace up. It's more sort of like an adjustable space to ease out your feet. And as far as again the silhouette is concerned, the silhouette is pretty much something that can help your outfit pop better. And again, as far as the laces are concerned, it's a pretty classic shoe, pretty classic sort of a silhouette. The vibe is pretty classic, but the laces help the sneaker stand out, and that's what this whole vibe of the shoe goes. And that's pretty much what Latis also try and do with their silhouettes. So here we go with the third one, guys. which is Revelo 4, the white ones. So here we have this, and a super crazy sort of a silhouette, guys, with some crazy detailings on it. This has a lot of leather, of course super premium leather, with suede at the back, at the heel, and right in the front also. So the detailing is crazy, and the toe box basically is made out of mesh, so it's more sort of like a breathable trainer. And again, as we said, the laces also have like the detailings of this fluorescent green vibe, the neon vibe, and again kind of a chunky sneaker, but not that heavy. The midsole again is something that's super broad, which gives you more breathing space and more space for you to feel the ground in general. So yeah, as far as the lifestyle vibe is concerned, the lifestyle silhouette is concerned, this is something that I personally love. Like all the three sneakers that we've just unboxed yet, the first one was my favorite one, but looking at this is something that I personally feel can help you and your outfit stand out the most in whatsoever sort of an arrangement you are, whether it's a social arrangement, whether you are at a gym or wherever. So yeah, as far as whatever we have opened yet, personally, this specific silhouette is like kind of my favorite, guys. Yeah, let's hope better things come in the next boxes. So here we have the fourth one, guys, which goes by the name of Pompeii 2 White. Okay, so here we have the big deals, guys. Yeah, again, mesh toe box with leather in front and leather at the back, with of course the detailings of Lati branding at the heel and like at the tongue as well. This specific sneaker, I would say, gives us the vibe of more sort of, if you guys have seen the Virgil collection from Louis Vuitton, yeah, so this is more sort of giving me that sort of a vibe. And this midsole is crazy, guys. Like if you guys can see it over here, it's more sort of like a translucent, transparent midsole, and I'm sure this is something that works crazy for people who can style it up well, I would say. And even at the outsole, guys, if you guys can see, it's more sort of like a translucent, transparent vibe in between the sections. And yeah, like as I just said, more sort of like a LV Virgil Abloh collection vibe, and a pretty cool sneaker, guys. Like and I'm sure this is not really something as expensive as the LV ones though, but if you guys want to feel that vibe, probably just check out the pair, guys. And the next one is again Pompeii 2, but I think it's a different colorway. Yes, the exact same sneaker but a different colorway that had more sort of like a white going on, and this is more sort of like black. The entire silhouette is same, it's just the colorway difference and the color blocking is different. Personally speaking, the white one I personally feel is something that's better because this has like a lot of black, and the red and gray is somewhat is helping the sneaker to probably pop out well. But again, the detailings are same, the entire silhouette is same, it's just the colorway what's different. And guys, just check this one out and choose for your own self which one do you guys personally feel is like a better sort of a colorway for this sort of a silhouette. So yeah, do let us know probably in the comment section or DM us, guys, and let us know. And yeah, again, crazy pair. Now the next one, this goes by the name of Alacio Black Canvas. Okay, so here we have something which anyone and everyone can wear with whatsoever you want to wear. So here we have a plain black high top sneaker with a lot of canvas over it. Like the entire thing is actually made out of canvas. Just a little bit of detailing happening with leather, and yeah, uh, pretty universal sort of a silhouette, and the colorway, of course, because this is something that guys can style with anything and everything, even formals for that matter. Like with chinos or with basic denims, basic pants, this is something that can help you stand out over there as well. And again, in comparison to other pairs, of course, not as chunky like as the rest of them. The midsole, the outsole is pretty standard, and you basically, I personally feel if you guys have this specific pair in your closet, this must be a no-brainer for you guys, because you know, if you guys are probably in a hurry, or if you guys don't understand how you want to probably style your specific outfit with what sneaker exactly, then you know, just hop into these and you know, you'll be good to go. So yeah, a pretty universal colorway, pretty universal silhouette, and really cool. The even the canvas is having some crazy you know, quality, guys. Like I can personally feel it right now, so I can tell you guys this is something that's you know, crazy in the quality, and not a lot is going on over here except for this small detailing of like a brand logo at the tongue, and that's about it. Rest super minimalistic shoe. Halfway down, and we are over here with the next shoe, which goes by the name of Portofino White. And yes, now this is something that I personally love. Super premium leather quality and an all white silhouette with just a few blue colored detailing over here and at the last lace knobs. That's about it. As you guys all know, like a pair of white sneakers is something that we all need in our closets. So this is something that I highly recommend you guys, because again, super crazy quality. The leather is super smooth, and you know, leather, of course, like as far as the fact goes that it's actually made in Napoli, then we don't even have to question the quality of the shoe or the leather specifically. But super crazy silhouette. What I love about this is that unlike other leather sneakers, white sneakers specifically, this has more sort of like a more this has more sort of like a broader midsole, right? And yeah, that's about it. If you guys are into something like this, which I personally feel should be a staple for everyone's closet, then definitely go ahead and cop this one, guys. Like this again should be just like the last one, should be like a no-brainer, and you guys should just go ahead and cop this one, guys. So here we go at the last leg of our unboxings. This goes by the name of Positano 1. Okay, so first of all, guys, I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing these names wrong, because I personally don't know Italian, but yeah, I hope you guys understand though. So here is the sneaker, guys. Again, a super chunky sneaker. And something that I just noticed right now, and it just caught my eye. It says Vibram at the midsole, at the side of the heel, which I'm assuming is the midsole tech that they are actually using on the sneaker. And the exact same thing is written at the outsole as well. Again, a chunky sneaker, guys, and you know, super light. Again, as I said, this has a lot of leather going on and mesh as well, with just some suede detailings right in front. And the stitching also is open, so if you guys can see, you guys can actually feel the stitchings, which kind of is crazy, and it's sort of helping the sneaker to stand out even more. And as you guys can see, again, the laces also have some blue and red detailings happening here and there. So again, super chunky sneaker, not a lot of leather happening, so I'm sure it's super breathable because of the mesh. And again at the heel as well, you guys can see we have this blue sort of a strap happening, which kind of again, I'm not really sure why it's over here, but then as a silhouette, as the color blocking goes, this is something that I personally would buy for myself, because I wear like a lot of baggier pants, and this is something that's gonna help my outfit to stand out in general. And even with shorts though, because again a chunky sneaker which is crazy. One more detailing is this button sort of a thing that's right in the front, at the left side of the sneaker. So yeah, crazy detailing on this one though. Here we go with the next one, guys, and this is Mayori A2, and here it is. Again, I think this is more sort of similar to the second sneaker that we opened up. Again, a super light sort of a trainer with mesh, so pretty much breathable, and just a few dark sort of red detailing happening at the side, with of course a chunky midsole again, with just a little bit of leather at the back side of the shoe, right at above the heel side, the heel tab. And yeah, this again is one sneaker that I would say, if you're wearing something like an all black, red is something that helps you stand out and pop out in general. So this specific silhouette, this specific sneaker, and with this specific colorway can help like the all black sort of fits stand out even better. And again, as we go, like chunky sneaker, that sneaker, super crazy quality, luxury wear. I think you guys should definitely check this one out. Now here we have the last two, guys, and this one goes by the name of Pompeii 1, and here it is. Again, another red shoe, not a crazy trainer vibe, but more sort of like a lifestyle shoe this one is. And again, not super heavy midsole, but more sort of like a classic vibe happening over here. Again, not a crazy pair, with minimalistic sort of aesthetics, with just the branding happening at this side of the shoe, and not even at the tongue over here though. Again, similar laces with red and blue detailings happening over here, and completely leather. And yeah, like this again, as I just said, red is something that helps your all black fits pop out even better. And if you guys don't really want to go with that sort of trainer vibe happening over there, and more sort of like a running shoe vibe happening, this is probably a perfect pair as far as the lifestyle game is concerned, if you want to go with, of course, the red colorway. And finally the last one, guys, this one is Trophy 3 Black. Ooh, okay. So another crazy pair, guys. Just right at the top of my head, after having the first look at this one, this is giving me the vibes of the Balenciaga track trainers. So yeah, the entire thing is actually leather, but there's a lot of breathable space happening over here. So at the side of the shoe, you guys can see these window sort of things happening over here at both the sides. So yeah, I think if you can carry some crazy colorful socks or something of that sort, that is something that's gonna help the sneaker to pop out even better, even though the silhouette is crazy amazing and not super chunky as like the previous shoes, of course, but again, crazy vibe. And in general, as far as the colorway also goes and the silhouette also goes, it's pretty universal. But as I just said, if you guys can style these up with something like a colorful or a graphical sort of socks happening, then I personally feel this is something that's gonna stand out even more. Again, super minimalistic, I would say, with just, of course, as the windows I described. Besides that, we just have the branding at the, at the tongue, and just a basic midsole, outsole happening. Again, super light, super comfortable. I personally feel. Let's have a look at this midsole as well. So yeah, the midsole is also pretty firm but soft, as you can see. So, and this specific midsole is there in all the lathis, guys. So yeah, uh, crazy pair, guys. Guys, that's the SS20 collection of the lathis, and the price point of these sneakers basically start from only 13,000 and goes maximum till 19 only. So as far as designers are concerned, I highly recommend all you guys, as I said in the beginning also, to check these pairs out. Maybe drop down to the stores which are in Mumbai, Bangalore and Delhi, or just check these pairs out on their online store, online website. The links actually down in the description as well, and check this out. Feel the sneakers, the quality is great. Of course, the brand is not as big as the other designer labels, as probably Gucci or LV or Prada or Dior are, but as far as the quality is concerned, guys, if not better, they are literally at par with most of these big giants, guys. So yeah, check these pairs out, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so very much for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Come to the store, come to Superkick store, check these pairs out, and share your comments, whatever you probably feel about these specific sneakers. Whether you like it, whether you don't like it, what do you think should be improved, what do you think is probably, share your personal expectations, that what you guys probably expect out of a designer brand or a designer label in the comments, or probably DM us down. Yeah, and also for all these specific pairs, we'll be having like on feet look also happening over our Instagram, so make sure you follow us over there as well. And that's pretty much about it, guys. Again, stay safe, stay away from corona, wash your hands, and take care. See you guys in a bit.